Hello everyone, in this video I will show you the best camera settings on iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's begin our video. So first of all, you should open your phone settings and then scroll down and select camera. So right now, first option you can see camera control. Just select it. Right now there have two options you can see, double click or single click. So if you just the single click on your action button on your iPhone 17 Pro Max, you can easily open your camera, or you can select double click. So you just need to double click on your action button and you can easily open your iPhone camera. So here you can see I select double click and I'm just going to double click on my action button, and here you can see camera already open. So if I just select a single click, and right now I just click single, and here you can see camera open. So I select single click. Right now go back for next settings. So here is photographic style. It actually a filter or effect you can choose for your camera. So there have lot of effect you can see. This is a standard first one, amber, gold, rose gold, bright, natural, cool rose. So I select bright and use bright. So right now go for next settings, record video, select it, and right now you can see there have lot of uh, FPS rate. So here you can see this is 4K quality and HD quality. So I select 4K 60 FPS, but you can select 4K 120 FPS, but it can kill your maximum memory. So that's why I select 4K 60 FPS. Right now go for record slow-mo. So here you can see I select 4K 120 FPS. Actually slow-mo video is short time, that's why you need a best quality for your slow-mo video. That's why I select 4K 120 FPS for slow-mo. Right now go for next, record cinematic. I select this on 4K 30 FPS. So you also select this on. Right now go back and select record sound. So you should select first option and obviously select the last option, wind noise reduction. So if you don't turn off this, you can get a wind noise on your video. That's why you should turn on this option. Right now go back for next option, turn on scan QR code as well as grid. This option is very important. Here you can see grid. So if you don't turn on, here you can see there have no grid on my camera. If I just turn on grid, and here you can see on my camera grid already turn on. So that's why you should turn on this option. And indicators, here you can see live photo, you also turn on this. So after do this all settings, you can get a uh, best result for your iPhone 17 Pro Max. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.